Hi guys, what's up? So welcome back to my another video. So in this video we are going to see 11 different ways where you can create your Instagram stories without using any app. Yes, without using any app. So just pick up your phone, warm up your finger and let's begin. In this video I am going to explain you how you can add a dark border to your Instagram stories. If just I go to my Instagram stories, I just take the photo from the gallery. Suppose I just took this photo and I need to add a dark border. So guys, whenever you want to add a dark border to your Instagram stories, make sure that you can use your brand color. And once you use the brand color, you can go on the right hand side on the second option. Here you can find a slider on the right hand side, and on the up you can find the different types of the brush which you can use and make a dark border. So for this I am going to use a third one. I just click on the right hand side. Okay, here my brand color is orange. Suppose I just take the orange color. Okay, and I start it from the right hand side. The reason I am going to start it on the right hand side, as you see on the up side, on the topmost side there are so many brush which create a obstacle when you are going to create it, and on the right hand side you can see the slider which might be the obstacle for to creating the border. So better you can start it from the right hand side and make your border very effectively. And this is how you can add a border. And also once you're done, you can add different GIF in the, like I just want to add a GIF for the mask, and this is how you can add, and you can make your Instagram story very in a good design. जैसे हम लोग अपने इंस्टाग्राम फीड को स्क्रॉल करते हैं, एंड सपोज यू लाइक एनी अदर फोटो. I like this photo. I like. I just go click on arrow section. That photo will go on my story. Okay. I can make the requirement. I can take like heart over here. Like मैं heart बनाती हूँ using it. Okay. Now ये मेरा heart बन गया है. Okay. अब मैं इसमें different emojis use करके इसको और creative बनाती हूँ. Like I just go on the keypad, take the emojis, like I just take the emojis of this one. Okay, I can do the size big and small using the slider and put it on the my heart over here. Okay, also you can use another emojis, like I use this one. Anything I can use, any emojis I can use, and I can put it on my heart and make it more like heart. You can make any सपोज ये वाली फ़ोटो है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी है. ओके, अब मेरे को इसको पूरा बैकग्राउंड कलर को डार्क कर देना है. आई जस्ट गो ऑन द सेकेंड पार्ट, क्लिक ऑन हियर. ओके, यहाँ से मैं इसको कोई भी कलर, सपोज आई जस्ट वांट टू कलर द रेड, तो मैं पूरे बैकग्राउंड को रेड कलर कर दूँगी. नाउ आई वांट टू रिमूव एंड फोकस ऑन द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. मैं कैसे करती हूँ? सो आई जस्ट गो ऑन द ब्रश, उसमें से सेकेंड वाला ब्रश यूज़ करती हूँ, रिमूव. तो लाइक दैट यू कैन रिमूव एंड शो योर इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑन द इमेज. And this is how you can make your Instagram stories very creative in an easy way without using any third party tool. हम लोग ये वीडियो में देखेंगे how you can create a dotted line on your Instagram stories. Suppose I like this photo, I just go on like my story. Okay, Even you can take the photo from the gallery. I just draw the line over here using this kind, or like any brush you can use over here. I just use this brush and draw the line. Okay, even I can draw the line using the arrow itself. Suppose ये एक है, ये दो है, ये तीन. Okay, the same thing I can do it over here. And now I want to remove, and I want to do it dotted. So how I can do, I just go on the remove brush and cut it on like slightly. Like arrow, you can design any other creatives, or you can design any other thing and make it more creative using the eraser tool. And you just like this, you can make a dotted line very effectively. So हम लोग ये वीडियो में देखेंगे हाउ यू कैन ऐड अ डबल बैकग्राउंड टू योर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज. लेट्स कंसिडर कि मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम फीड में जाती हूँ और मुझे ये वाली फ़ोटो अच्छी लगती है, और इसके ऊपर इसको मेरे को अपनी स्टोरी में डाल के डबल बैकग्राउंड क्रिएट करना है. तो हाउ आई कैन डू इट. सो आपको यहाँ पे 3 सिंबल दिखते हैं, एक तो लाइक, सेकेंड कमेंट एंड थर्ड एरो. आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द एरो, पोस्ट टू माई स्टोरी. ओके, नाउ आई कैन गो ABCD, जो आपके AA दिख रहा है साइड में, इसके ऊपर क्लिक करती हूँ. तो यू कैन फाइंड योर कीपैड ओवर हियर. कीपैड से मैं अपने जो भी सिम्बॉल्स होते हैं, लाइक आई लाइक द स्टार, आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द स्टार. ओके, गो ऑन द स्लाइड, अगेन आई कैन क्लिक ऑन द स्टार. नाउ आई कैन कॉपी दिस पार्ट. मैंने इसको अपने कॉपी कर लिया. नाउ आई कैन पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर. और इसको जो भी अपना ब्रांड कलर है, जैसे मेरा ऑरेंज है तो मैं ऑरेंज यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. ओके, स्लाइडर से मैं इसकी साइज़ कम ज़्यादा कर दूँगी. ओके, नाउ आई कैन कम्प्लीटली कॉपी इट, और इसको मैं ऊपर रख देती हूँ. स्लाइडर से इसकी साइज़ को कम ज़्यादा करके इसको मैं यूज़ कर लूँगी. सेम थिंग आई कैन डू ऑन द डाउन साइड. फिर से मैं इसको पेस्ट करती हूँ. ओके, नाउ आई कैन डू द ऑरेंज कलर, जो भी मेरा ब्रांड कलर है, इसको फिर से मैं नीचे रख देती हूँ. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन ऐड अ डबल बैकग्राउंड टू योर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी. यू कैन यूज़ एनी अदर इमोजीज, लाइक आप यहाँ पे स्क्वायर यूज़ कर सकते हो, सर्कल यूज़ कर सकते हो, डॉट यूज़ कर सकते हो. वॉट एवर द क्रिएटिव्स वो लाइक इमोजीज यू लाइक, यू कैन यूज़ इट. इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी इंस्टाग्राम में एक हिडन फीचर होता है क्रिएट, जिसको यूज़ करके आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोरीज बना सकते हो. सो यू कैन फाइंड अ क्रिएट ऑप्शन इन द डाउन साइड towards your on the circle of the screen. Here is like you can go to live, you can create normal. So I just go and click on the create. Once you create, you can find so many options over here. Like you can find the option create. Second is like shortcut. Third GIF. Fourth templates. There are so many different templates you can see over here. Then you can find 1 year ago notification for your Instagram. Okay, you can see like how many I have to, so I can click and find another. Okay, you can add a poll, you can add a question mark, you can add a donation. Whatever the donation you want to do, you can add over here. You can also find a countdown, and you can find a quiz. These are the so many options that you can find inside the create. So I just explain one by one how you can use it and make your Instagram stories very attractive. So I just go on the first. Here you can add whatever you want to add. I just want to add a coronavirus. Okay, if I type and I post, I type the corona. Okay, like this I can use it. Even if you want, if you have the IGTV channel, then you can post your IGTV link over here, and you can, so that people can swipe up and make the use of it. So next I can show you how you can use a shortcut. If you want to wish someone, you can make a very shortcut which is like with a different template like this. If you want to wish for the happy birthday, if you want to wish for the anniversary, or like any other, you can add over here. If you want to add any GIF, you can just type the whatever the GIF you need in the search bar, and you can make a good GIF and make your story very good. Also you can add a different template over here, different list, to make your story very creative and visualization. 1 year past, you can add so many things in over here. So this is another hidden feature that you can use and make your story very attractive. ये वीडियो में देखेंगे आप इंस्टाग्राम के डिफरेंट लेयर ऑफ फंड कैसे ऐड कर सकते हो. सो आई जस्ट गो ऑन माई स्टोरी, टेक द फोटो फ्रॉम द गैलरी राइट नाउ. I just take this photo. Okay, now I can write over here marks. Even you can do the different kind of the style or font type, whatever you need. I just take the typewriter. Okay, according to the typewriter you can change the size of the word. I just take it very bold. Now again I go and type the same word again. Take the same handwriting type. Okay, now I just color the first with a green, like orange. Okay, now take this, I just color it with a green. Okay, and increase the side that overlap with this word. And according to that you can adjust, and you can make your font size very creative. Like this. Here you can see there are two different layer of font with a different color, and this is how you can make your Instagram story very attractive using the same app. You don't need to any third party tool. इस वीडियो हम लोग ये देखेंगे आप अपने जो भी हैंड राइटिंग होती है और इंस्टाग्राम के फंट होते हैं उनको कैसे मिक्स कर सकते हो. सो आई जस्ट लॉग इन माई इंस्टाग्राम, गो टू माई स्टोरी, टेक द फोटो फ्रॉम द गैलरी. आई जस्ट टुक दिस फोटो. नाउ आई जस्ट टाइप द वर्ड ओवर हियर विथ माई फॉन्ट, लाइक टू बी यूजिंग द ब्रश. आई जस्ट टाइप द वर्ड. Now I go to again that brush eraser tool and erase the middle part of the word. Now I can go to the font, type the same word again. And adjust my handwriting with this font. And this is how you can make a good design. So I hope आपको ये छोटी सी हैक पसंद आई हो. So in this video again I am going to show you some hidden features in Instagram itself. So I just go on hidden story. Here you can check out the different feature like normal. You can check out boomerang. For the boomerang you need another third part tool called by the name boomerang. You will get it on Play Store. Also I will post a link in the description. Then layout, you can create a different layout from this, like you can add 2 photos, 3 different layer. two different side by side, and also 6 photos. Like you can create and you can add a photo from the gallery. If I just go and add a photo from the gallery, like this I can add a photo. Like 6 different photos I can add in my creatives and make my ad copy very attractive. So like this you can do. Also you can do the super zoom effect. You can use the super zoom effect and hand free effect. All this effect you can make use in your Instagram stories and make a good design. Also this help you to create a good visualization for your Instagram. इस हम लोग ये वीडियो में देखेंगे आप अपने जो भी इंस्टाग्राम पे फोटोज़ डालते हो उसके अंदर स्क्वायर वर्ड कैसे ऐड कर सकते हो. सो आई जस्ट गो ऑन माई स्टोरी, टेक दिस फोटो, रोटेट इट. ओके, एज यू सी यहाँ पे मैंगो की फ़ोटो है. इट्स कॉल्ड मैंगो जूस. ओके, आई जस्ट गो एंड टेक द लेटर एम, उसे ब्रॉड करती हूँ. ओके, then space. Okay, done. Now just take the A, highlight it with another color, green, and I started putting it over here. And this is how you can make your square and make it more good design. So हम लोग ये वीडियो में देखेंगे how you can make your Instagram stories very creative using Instagram features like poll, question mark, slider, GIF and so many other. So I just go on my story, take the photo from the gallery. Even you can click the photo right away. I just take this photo. Now I am going to use my different feature. Suppose I use it over here, poll. Now I am going to ask the question, are you wearing even you can change it yes or no by the format of the geo emojis. Here I can use it yes and I can use the no from the emoji section. Okay, this is a one. For even if there are so many features in Instagram itself, each feature has its own importance. Now I can use a slider. If you want to rate some particular thing, is it good quality? So according to that, according to your requirement or your question, you can take the feature and you can find your answer over here and you can measure your requirement and all those things. If you enjoy my video, please let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite design. And also please don't forget to like and share my channel. Also you can subscribe or share with your friend, or also you can check out my another videos. And for the time being, bye bye.